Welcome to the 2-minute drill with EnvisionTel. Today we are going to show you how to download your conference recordings generated with your Engage Now conferencing service as MP3 files. All recordings with EnvisionTel are free, and files are hosted in your account for as long as you are a customer. You can leave the files with us or download them for distribution to anyone with a computer or mobile device. You can even create podcasts and promote your files using iTunes. If you have questions on how to do this, please contact us at 866-441-9123. There are several ways you can create recordings with your Engage Now conferencing service. The first, and probably the easiest, is to simply select *51 and then pound on your telephone keypad. The other ways are through either our integration with Adobe Connect or using the free web manager that comes with your Engage Now service. If you have integrated your service with Adobe Connect, you will be able to access your web recording from your Connect account. Any recordings you make in Connect will also result in an MP3 file being generated by our system, giving you an alternate file format, or in some cases a backup. Once you've made some conference recordings using the Engage Now conferencing platform, it's very easy to go to the EnvisionTel site and download those recordings in the form of an MP3 file. Simply go to www.envisiontel.com and look for the Customer Center off to the left of the screen. From here, click Download Conference Recordings. This will bring you to an instruction page that provides some brief instructions on how to log in and access your file. Click the Download Now icon, and you'll be presented with a login screen. Using your conference ID as the username and your conference PIN as the password, click the Login button, and you'll be presented with a section called Conference Recordings. You should see your folder in there, which also has your conference ID and your name. By clicking this folder, you'll expand its contents, and you'll be able to see all the recordings you've made since you've been a customer of EnvisionTel. To access any of these files, just simply click the link or the title of the file, or you can simply click Download Now, which will open up a dialog window, which will allow you to either open the file directly, or you can save the file to your local desktop. From there, you'll have an offline MP3 file which you can upload to your website. You can distribute any way you see fit. You can even turn it into a podcast which you can publish in iTunes. If you're having trouble finding recordings, there are a couple of filters located here at the top that you can filter your recordings by, either by the name, by the date it was created, or by the number of hits, meaning the number of times you've accessed that particular recording. If you have any questions or would like to contact us, please visit us at www.envisiontel.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.